In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to install Baseball 9 on an Amazon Fire tablet, since it is not directly available on the Amazon App Store by default. Step 1. Enable apps from the unknown sources. First, go to the settings on security and privacy. Then turn on the option that says Apps from Unknown Sources. This will allow you to install apps outside the Amazon App Store. Step 2. Install Google Play Store. To get Baseball 9, you'll need access to the Google Play Store. This means downloading and installing 4 necessary APK files. First, Google Account Manager. Second, Google Services Framework. Third, Google Play Services. And fourth, Google Play Store. Make sure to download the correct version that matches your Fire tablet model and Fire OS version. You can find these files from trusted APK sources like APK Mirror. Install each file in the exact order. Step 3. Once installed, open the Google Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and let it finish setting up. This may take a few minutes. Step 4. Search and download Baseball 9. After setup, search for Baseball 9 in the Play Store. Tap Install and wait for the download to complete. And lastly, Step 5. Launch and enjoy. Once installed, open the game from your apps list and start playing Baseball 9 on your Fire tablet. This method gives you access to many other apps not found in an Amazon App Store. Just remember to only download APKs from trusted sources to keep your device secure.